Here on the Wix editor, you want to find the specific product that you want to add the Add to Cart button. To do it, you can just go to your product page by tapping right here on the page, and then you can just choose any page that you want to visit. For example, you want to go to store page and then click on product page. And then here on the product page, you can just choose the product by clicking right here on manage product at the top right of your screen, and then choose the specific product. After you find the product, you want to click right here on add elements with the plus icon at the left side of your screen, and then you want to go to store. On the store, you want to click on add to cart button. Here on add to cart button, just click on it, or you can just drag it all the way to your website, and there you go. On the button, you can actually drag it around your page to place it anywhere. So for example, I'm gonna place it here under the color and quantity of my product. By clicking right here on the outside part of the button, you can make it bigger or make it smaller. Just customize it. And then after that, you want to click on manage product right here, which will open your dashboard. On the product section, you want to link the add to cart button to the specific product. So when visitor click on the add to cart button, it will choose the specific product. So for example, my product that I opened before is oil diffuser right here. Just click on oil diffuser, and then you are good to go. You can also add a new product right here by clicking at this new product. And then after you click on your product or a service, just click on exit right here. And then you want to click on settings on the add to cart button. As you can see, this add to cart button is connected to my product that I clicked before. After that, you want to go to design. And then here you can just design your add to cart button. Either you want to change the button style, just click on one of them. Or you can also change the font color, the opacity, the border width, and then also the corner radius. And then you are good to go. And then to check if this add to cart button is functional, just click on preview right here, so we can act as the visitor. And then here at the preview on the product, first I have to choose the color, and then click on add to cart. Click again on the color, and then click on add to cart, and there you go. As you can see, the cart is functional. And that's how to add an add to cart button on Wix. If you still have any question about this topic, just comment down below, and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.